salvation for those who are in Jesus Christ.
Ecclesiastes 12 verse 13. Obey the God and keep his commandments, for this is the whole duty of man. John 15 verse 16. You have not chosen me, but I have chosen you and appointed you that you should go and bear much fruit, and that your fruit should remain.
John chapter 15 verse 5. I am the vine and you are my branches. Whoever remains in me and I in him shall bear fruit, for he can do nothing without me. Thank you.
Praise the Lord. Psalms 91 verse 4 and 5. He will cover you with his wings. You will be safe under his care. His faithfulness will protect you and defend you. You need not fear any dangers at night or sudden attacks during the day. Thank you. Praise the Lord. Psalm 15 verse 5. I am the vine and you are my branches. You may make much fruit, for you can do without me nothing.
Praise the Lord. 1 Peter 5:6. Humble yourself under the mighty hand of God, that he may especially do the
Now they are going to perform a dance, a folk dance with the Julius.
பால்